Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen, struggling with complicated recipes and endless cooking times? Meet the COMFEE pressure cooker, the game changer that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience. Imagine cooking stuffed bell peppers perfectly in just 10 minutes, without any hassle. This pressure cooker is incredibly easy to use, even if the instruction manual leaves much to be desired. From macaroni and cheese to perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs, this appliance handles it all with ease. Ever tried making ham bean soup from dried beans in just an hour? With this pressure cooker, it's possible. Corned beef for Reuben sandwiches, cooked to perfection and ready to slice, all in a fraction of the usual time. While the manual could be more detailed, the basic operation is straightforward. Set it, forget it, and come back when it beeps. Safety is a priority, but be cautious with manual pressure release to avoid hot liquid splatters. For those with pets, quick releases can be startling, so keep your furry friends at a safe distance. This appliance isn't just for main dishes, it can even replace your rice cooker, delivering decent results in less time. The non-stick ceramic coating makes cleanup a breeze, saving you even more time. Despite some minor drawbacks, like the need for frequent button pressing, the overall performance is impressive. The 8-quart size is perfect for families, allowing you to cook large meals or smaller portions as needed. Even if you're a die-hard fan of traditional stovetop pressure cookers, this electric version offers unmatched convenience. The COMFEE pressure cooker heats up quickly and cooks food evenly, ensuring tender, flavorful results every time. Its compact yet powerful design makes it a versatile addition to any kitchen, big or small. Whether you're making sauces, soups, or full meals, this pressure cooker handles it all with ease. Plug it in anywhere, even outside or in the garage, to keep your kitchen odor-free. With intuitive controls and multiple cooking options, meal prep has never been easier. Transform your cooking routine and enjoy delicious, hassle-free meals with the COMFEE pressure cooker.